Hi everybody, I'm Natalie Carr. I'm one of the designers here at Sea Pointe. I'm super excited to talk to you guys today. We're going to talk about the process of how do you design a kitchen. It's kind of an overwhelming task, right? I mean, where do you start? So here's my little tip. It's kind of a silly euphemism, but I say it a lot to my clients, and I think of building a kitchen sort of like making a cake, right? You've got different layers and you want to start with your basics. So the first thing we start with is cabinets. It's really the most important thing in a kitchen, and so that's where I usually start. Not only are you going to be picking the color, but you want to pick the style too. Something that's really on trend right now is shaker cabinets, and that can mean that it is just a plain shaker like this guy, super simple, or you can have a little bit of a detail to it. This one has a little bit of a beveled edge in it, which is really popular right now too. So then we choose the color and the finish right after that. After we pick our cabinets, we're going to our next layer. Well, that would be your countertops. Quartz is kind of king right now. I'm sure you guys have all heard quartz around. It's super popular, and so we want something that's going to complement our cabinet. So again, we're making that cake. So I pulled two that would go with these two cabinet colors that are my favorite. This is just a really pretty subtle white quartz with a little bit of a gray veining for our white, and we've got a little bit of a warmer shade too. This one's got some really pretty gold, so that's our next thing that we would choose. And then after that, so cabinets, countertops, and now we're talking about backsplash. So next we would do jewelry, if you will, and that's to choose our backsplash. Things that are really on trend right now, there is a tile that's becoming super popular. It's called Zallige, and that's the cement version. It's a little bit harder to work with, and so some of our tile companies have now come up with porcelain versions of that, and it looks like this. This is just a glazed ceramic tile. You can do it in a herringbone, you can do it in a subway, but it's really pretty, very subtle, and we want to kind of go with timeless too. So that's one that's really beautiful. Another one that I pulled for you guys to show you, similar concept. Again, you can do this in a subway, you can do it in a herringbone, you can add a little color. It doesn't have to be white on white on white. Those are kind of some of the new trends, is that guy. And then also real brick. So we don't want to use super thick brick, and so what's come out now is sort of like brick veneer. It's really pretty, it kind of gives it a rustic, timeless kind of a feel, but there's tons of options out there. And that's the fun of designing a kitchen, right? There's so many things to choose from, and that's where we come in to help you guys make those decisions and have fun with it too. So I hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.